ready for some workbook?
I'm ready too.
Thank you.
Hello, everybody. These are pages 64 and 65 of the Let's Go 4 workbook. We are doing Unit 8 today, and this is the Let's Talk section. And all we have to do is take these phrases from the dialogue and then put them into the dialogue down here. So let's remember the dialogue first.
Hi, Andy. Do you want to come to the park?
I can't.
Why not?
Because I'm sick.
What's the matter?
I have a stomachache.
That's too bad. I hope you feel better.
Thanks.
Great, let's start. First, Kate calls up Andy, and Kate wants to play, so she asks Andy, "Hi, Andy. To the park? Do you want to come to the park? Do you want to come to the park?" And Andy is not feeling well, so Andy says, "I can't. I can't." And then Kate is curious now, really? No park? So Kate asks, "Why not?" And Andy says, "Because I'm sick." Now Kate's very curious, so she asks, "What's the matter?" Which means what's wrong? What's the matter? We can use this when we can see that something's wrong with somebody. Andy says, "I have a stomach ache." He's got a sad tummy. His tummy hurts. Kate says, "I hope you feel better." And Kate's feeling sad now too, so she says, "That's too bad." She doesn't want her friend to be sick. So that is too bad. That's too bad. I hope you feel better. And Andy just says, "Thanks." Which means thank you. Part A is done. This is part B. It says look and write. And we have a crossword puzzle. So you know I'm going to use big letters in here. You can use big or small, but don't mix them. And for this crossword puzzle, we've got all of the things or a bunch of different reasons why we could be feeling sick. In your student book, they were presented like this.
A cold. A fever. A headache. A sore throat. An earache. A stomachache. A toothache. A cough.
Okay, I'm gonna fill in my crossword puzzle, and I have my student book right over here so I can see the spelling easily. So if you're doing it at home, take out your student book too. Number 1 down, he's holding his throat, so I think this is a sore throat. He has a sore throat. S-O-R-E, his throat hurts. T-H-R-O-A-T. Ooh, I forgot. I was going to use big letters. I guess I'm using small letters now. Okay. Next one. She is holding... Actually, let's do number 5 first because we have one already. So 5 is here. I know there's an O in the word, and she's sneezing, so I think this is a cold. C-O-L-D. Okay, now let's do 6 because I've already got an E in here. And she's pointing to her ear, and the only word in my student book that starts with E is earache. So E-A-R-A-C-H-E. Lots of these have the word ache in them, and ache just means hurt. So an earache is a hurt ear, a stomach ache is a hurt stomach, a stomach that's hurting. Let's do number 3 next. 3 down. He's got a thermometer here. He's put a cold towel on his forehead. So this is a fever. F-E-V-E-R. Okay, then number 7. He's holding his head, and it looks like there's some pain lines. I think these lines mean pain or hurt. So I think this is a headache. Headache. H-E-A-D, head. And then we write ache one more time. A-C-H-E, headache. Okay, and now we can do number 4. She's holding her stomach, and so I'm guessing this is a stomach ache. Let's try stomach first. S-T-O-M-A-C-H, stomach, or your tummy, or your belly, or your gut. And then ache, A-C-H-E, stomach ache. Okay, and the next one is number 8 across, which is right here. She's holding her mouth, so her mouth is hurting, and in my mouth I have teeth, so this is a toothache. T-O-O-T-H, there's tooth, and then ache, A-C-H-E, perfect. Last, number 2, she is making loud sounds and covering her mouth, so that must be a cough. C-O-U-G-H, cough. Okay, and part B is all done. Here is part C. It says look and write sentences. We're going to use the question and answer pattern. What's the matter? I have a and in the textbook it looked like this. Okay, so let's start this one. What's the matter? I have a, and he's covering his mouth, so I think it's a cough. I have a cough. C-O-U-G-H. Number 2, let's ask this question again. What's the matter? And that just means what's wrong. So if you see somebody looking sad or not happy for some reason, you can ask them, hey, what's the matter? And she will answer, I have, and she's holding her tooth, so I think it's a toothache. So I have a toothache, A-C-H-E, hurting tooth. Great, we are all done. Good job, you guys.